So late last year, I tried something a little bit different on Hinge. I made my profile's first photo video instead. And as you can see from these comments, it's been a big success. My matches have more than tripled. The quality went up too. And I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. But let me just show you the video first. So I don't have any good pictures right now. So I figured I'd just make a video instead because I'm literally using one that I have to take a month ago in front of the mirror just to check my beard length. Didn't actually mean it to go on Hinge, but I got out of a 12-year relationship a little while back. So I figured I'd start putting myself out there again and see what happens. And also, here's my boy Alvin being crazy. And yeah, as you can see, it's super simple. You just talk to the camera. And it works, number one, because it's a pattern break. People are swiping. They never seen a video before. This captures their attention. They're actually going to pay attention and make a decision whether or not they like you. They'll probably watch it either way. Number two, it's a positive sign for the algorithm. People are on your profile a lot longer, so Hinge thinks this must be an engaging profile, and they're going to be more likely to show you more often. And number three, most importantly, it shows off your actual vibe because you can get a better sense in somebody from 10 seconds of video than even 100 pictures. And this is really why even profiles with voice prompts get more dates. This was released by Hinge, and this is just the next level of that. So in terms of what to say, you can just start it like how I did if you want, saying that I don't have any good pictures, so I thought I'd make a video and then just talk. It could be a story, something that happened, something you're doing in the moment. Um, Maybe something you can react to, like, oh, I try to make some dish. Oh, I try to make ratatouille and look how I botched it. Look how bad it turned out, or look how great it turned out. And then you kind of just react to it. I was thinking of using my telescope and showing like Saturn's rings through it and then just reacting, showing my excitement. That's how you kind of get your personality to come out. But you don't have to like overthink it. It could just be you on your couch, like how I did it. You could try different angles, different lighting, different outfits if you want. I mean, it took me like 7 or 8 takes, even though that's pretty simple. It's very easy to mess up. You don't have to go that long. That one was almost 30 seconds, and that's the limit that Hinge will allow. Uh, it's completely fine if you just do 15 or something. Now, if you have actual camera equipment, you could do a more polished version, kind of like this. I did actually do that originally. I said the exactly same thing, but I kind of just prefer mine that's just more off the cuff, chill. Looks like I didn't think about it. I just kind of pulled out and recorded a video. And lastly, a couple things here. The first frame of your video ends up being your profile picture, which for me, it doesn't look great, but I don't really care because nobody's going to see that until after they match. But something that you can do is open up the video on an editing app or software, whatever, and just pick the best frame and put it at the very front because whatever is at the front ends up being your profile picture. And you can use videos on Bumble too. So I recommend that. Unfortunately, Tinder doesn't allow it. And yeah, this literally can be the difference of whether or not you meet somebody that you really like because you're going to get more attention and just going to show your profile a bit more. It's going to mean more likes. It's going to be more matches, more dates, more chance of something working out for you. And also just there's a little bit more that I have to say on this. I figured it would be better instead of you just like having to rewatch this video if I just kind of break it all down on a single page, simple, easy guide. I don't need your email or anything like that. It's just a page on my site. I'll link to it down below in the description. But yeah, have some fun with it. Try some different things. I will talk to you again in a few days.